Bogdan Barbu after KSW 54 and the fight that you didn't win, but in your opinion, you've been robbed.
Dacă ți se pare că ai fost furat sau nu în meciul ăsta, nu așa.
Da. Nu pot să zic că am fost furat, doar că arbitrii așa au văzut meciul. Din punctul meu de vedere, eu m-am văzut câștigător, deoarece în a doua repriză a fost și depunctat, nu în a doua. Plus că n-a făcut absolut nimica el. Din prima repriză am luptat cu el cu o singură mână, mi-am sărut de mâna și a avut foarte mare noroc.
So he didn't say he was robbed, but he didn't lose. So to win a fight, you have to do a little bit more, and especially that the opponent had a point deduction. I think we win the first round, and then again it was a point deduction. So it was a strange situation. Bogdan broke his hand in the first round, and he fought with one hand only, and the clear shots was in our side. We think, yeah, there was a domination in the ground at the end of the fight, but the clean striking part was better from our part, we think.
What was the hardest part in Politeuo's fight? What Barbu thinks about it? Where Politeuo surprised him in the cage?
Unde te-a surprins? Care a fost partea grea a meciului cu Politeuo, dacă a fost așa ceva?
Nu m-a surprins cu absolut nimic. Înainte de a avea lupta cu el, l-am studiat împreună cu antrenorul meu, l-am studiat foarte bine, știam la ce să mă aștept de la el. Absolut cu nimic nu a putut să mă surprindă.
So we studied him from the beginning of the when we learned that we're gonna fight with him, he's gonna fight with him, and we studied him. So it was no surprise. It was mainly the fight was mainly how we expect to be, but except the fact that he broke his hand, of course. But there was no surprise.
And what now? Because we have 2 fights in KSW. How does the contract look like? For how many fights does the contract is for Bogdan?
Pentru câte meciuri e contractul tău în KSW peste al doilea meci și asta a doua înfrângere și câte meciuri ai prin contract? Că ai demonstrat, că ai luptat.
În contract mai am încă 3 lupte în afară de asta. Nu cred că se va pune problema că nu voi mai fi chemat chiar dacă am pierdut, pentru că am arătat chiar o luptă frumoasă și am arătat că am caracter de luptător și lupt până în ultima secundă, indiferent de situație.
So in the contract he has 3 more fights, and even if he didn't win, he put on a great performance, and people, if they understand that he did that with one hand, most of the people would give up probably in that situation, even for less. He got a broken hand in 2 pieces. We have to go to surgery now, and he didn't look for a way out. We could say after the illegal knee to the head, we could say that, hey, I cannot continue, and the opponent would be disqualified. But he's a fighter, not a cheater. So I think people want to see fighters, and Bogdan is a fighter.
Okay, so my last question: would you like to have a rematch with Pavel Politeuo?
Ți-ai dori un rematch cu Pavel?
Numai că eu mi-aș dori un rematch cu Pavel, cred că toată lumea și-ar mai dori un rematch, pentru că am arătat o luptă frumoasă și, sincer, și eu îmi doresc un rematch cu el.
Yeah, he would like to have a rematch, and probably people would enjoy that rematch if it's going to be, because they look like fighters, and they can do much better, especially if they're both 100%. So yeah, he's interested in a rematch, very interested in a rematch with Pavel.
Oamenii și publicul din Polonia iubesc luptătorii care se luptă și cred că vor să mă mai vadă din nou.
So the Polish audience loves fighters with heart, and he probably showed that today, that he has heart and he's a fighter. So we're ready for a new challenge. Bogdan has really a lot to offer. So KSW, count on us if you can.
Guys, thank you very much. It was a stunning performance, a great performance. We will really love to watch it. So maybe a rematch is a good idea. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.